Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real original, authentic, one and only official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Walking downtown to Martinez, seeing if anyone has Christmas decorations up. For some reason there are a bunch of fire trucks down there by the courthouse. No Christmas spirit here. Just got done feeding Tiny One and Orangey, and lots of flopping from Tiny One. She was following me, nuzzling everything, being very cute. Alright, let's get this one. Next week, 31st, I'll have unlimited filming on this for $30. Very nice of them to do that. Normally $54.95, but I asked them if they could do that for me. I have no idea what this place is. This used to be Citibank. Let's see. Down there's a blue thing. Pizza place has green in front. Eye doctors lit up a little bit. I like the blue. Let's go look at the blue. Very nice people in here. Dr. Huber. Okay. Function fringe is lit up. Bail bondsman. Decorated. I like the snowflakes in the tree. Okay. They're open. The nail spa and massage place is decorated. Like the lights, the Santa, the Himalayan salt. I think everything's got a Himalayan salt brick, which really comes in Nepal. These guys are decorated. How are we doing here on time? I don't know what this place is. They sell some stuff. I like the fox with the cactus. I'm not sure about the armadillo. Nothing here. The Fight Core gym is not decorated. Oh wait a minute, I'm wrong. Fight Core MMA Fitness, they got a little wreath. The antique store is not decorated except for one red light. These guys are into Christmas a little bit. And that's it for this one. As I run out of time, I would love that clock. That's really old. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, with Santa. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there and stay warm and dry. Bye-bye for now.